Yeah, good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having an amazing week. This is an update on our analysis, and I want you guys to understand that we are still expecting this market to pull back. All right, but then we have seen an amazing future here, and that is taken out of this particular high on daily high. So once this daily high has been taken out, so now we'll be expecting the reversal properly, because when market wants to reverse, definitely it has to take away the high first. So as the high has been taken out, so right now we are expecting these guys to find a way to come to the downside, and then we're going to look for a move to downside. And as you guys know that today afternoon we'll be expecting a kind of a reversal from here. All right, this is actually daily. Let's go straight to 4 hours. So this high is already taken out. It's been swept off. All right. So from here now, we'll be expecting the reversal that we have been expecting all the while. So meanwhile, there is a fair value gap here. All right. So when market come into this fair value gap here, it will do a kind of a rejection to the backside before it start coming down. So we are actually positive that this market is ready to come down now. And let me zoom out and then shrink this thing further so we can check what is happening on the TDI. All right, as you can see, we have divergence here. Now, between here and here, there is divergence, right? And also between here and here, we also have divergence. And that's to tell you that the market is ready to begin to come to downside. All right. So meanwhile, don't just jump in heavy. Keep your trade simple. So we're still positive that this is still going to happen. So once it bats in there, there will be a kind of a rejection to down to the backside. All right. If it fails to take away this high, then the reversal has come. That is what we'll still be expecting from this pair. Then the next one is EURUSD. Nice one. So we're still anticipating them to go to the upside. So we still want to see this. Yesterday I didn't trade yesterday because market has not really given me the setup I've been expecting. What the market is right now, I'm being careful on taking positions. So I want to be sure of what the market wants to do before I jump in. So this is also what I'll be expecting. This low has been taken out already. If you go to daily chart, you find out that it has been taken out already. All right, this place has been taken out already. So it has swept it off already. So we want to start seeing a push to the upside. Then another one is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, like I told you guys, that what I want to see on GBPUSD is I want to see it come down to this particular level, right, before I start expecting a push to the upside. Market didn't do anything yesterday. They're just consolidating and just hitting stops. So that is actually what we're expecting. And this one is gold. Gold has given us the push to the downside, so we start expecting to the upside. So this movement was perfectly analyzed yesterday. As you guys can see, it has played out already. This has taken out this low. We still want them to see go down a little bit, all right, before we start looking for a push to the upside. But I'm looking for to buy this market. I'm not looking for to sell these pairs. Then the next one is AUDUSD. AUDUSD. Let's go to daily chart. This daily chart. Yesterday low was removed. This low also was removed. Yet market has not given us the reversal that we're expecting. So let's go straight to weekly and see what is happening on weekly. This level has been broken and market is here right now. So we also have this daily OB here. So I'm taking this out. I'm going to daily. I'm going to daily. Okay, so like I was saying that we are still expecting this market to come and hit this particular OB, possibly. Then before we start looking for a push to the upside. Being that this market has not really, it has just been going down, down, down. So you don't force yourself into a trade. You have to wait to see the market give you a rejection on this particular block that we have here. So as you can see, we'll have a block here. So, and this block is where we'll be expecting market to give us rejection before we go to the upside. So we're still positive that this market is going to hit this level before that time for the news. So I want to see something like this happen, at least down to this place, then push back, all right, before we start looking for a push to the upside. So like I told you guys earlier, that this week I'm only going to look for a buy as I'm going to trade against USD. As you guys can see, since Monday, they've been going through to the wrong side since Monday. All right. So that is what, like I told you guys, that there is need for pullback, and that is why I am waiting to see how this market will give me a pullback, at least 50% pullback of this move from here to here. So that is what we want to get, and that is what we're eyeing to get this week. It will come in form of news. Then let's go to 4 hours. So as you can see, guys, so we want to see this really happen. That's what I'll be expecting. If it happens, then I'll be taking this trade. If it doesn't happen, then there is no trade for me. All right, so that is it. There is no trade for me if it didn't happen. So let's go to the next one. This is NZD card, USD card. Let's go to daily. And I told you guys, we're still expecting this market to give us what it should give us. And if you watch, this high needs to be taken out for the market to reverse. This high on daily here need to be taken out. So if this high is taken out now, we are sure of the reversal. Once this high is taken out, we are sure of the reversal. So that is what we'll be expecting to see. We want to see this high taken out. So once this high is taken out, right, I'll start looking for a reason to sell this market to at least 50% of this movement, at least 50%. That is what I will be expecting from this pair. It's going to sell for quite some time. So, and that is why I've been waiting for it. So, guys, I did not trade yesterday. So, I'm waiting to see what the market will give me. Good. And this is USDCHF. USDCHF is almost there. It's almost there. It's almost there. So, I want to see it take away this daily high here, and from here, all right, then I'll start expecting a reversal. So it will be grievous, begin to sell now. I want to see it take away this high, then give me a reason to sell. I will sell down, and I'll be expecting this market to come down here. All right. So this is even where I'll be targeting. So let's be guided. I want to see them take away this high, then we'll start expecting the reversal. Then if you go to NZDUSD, it has taken out this low. Good, this is a nice one. So what we want to see is, just as I mentioned on AUDUSD, let's go to weekly and see if there's something we'll have in weekly. Perfect. In weekly, we'll have 50% of this charts here, which is where the market is. Let's check out monthly. So monthly we'll have this. So and we'll have an order block, monthly order block, and the month is close is ending. So we'll have a monthly order block here. So we want to see them hit this level, and this block has not been mitigated, and there is a fair value gap in here, and market has not really tapped into the fair value gap. So once this market enter this fair value gap, I'm expecting a push to the upside. So I'm still expecting anything that will make me to take a trade to the upside on this pair. I'm expecting anything that will make me to take a trade here to the upside on this pair. All right. So another one is Nasdaq. Not this monthly. Okay. I'm going back to lower time frame. And here we'll have this OB mitigated. Here we'll have this one too mitigated. Then we'll have this level here unmitigated. This level here is mitigated already. Okay. So we'll have this block. This is a mitigated block. The level here. The market has mitigated. The market is back to that place again. Then we still have this level here that is still unmitigated. So we can go to a lower time frame like daily to refine that particular OB to get a zone that has not been mitigated. Good. So we'll have this. So we'll have purely this zone here is highly unmitigated. So we'll still be expecting to see market get to that level. So I'll be taking these out. And if you watch here, you will see that this market still have future of coming down. All right, but here there is a sell stop liquidity here that they need to take away. 4 hours. 4 hours. So I'm actually expecting to see this market to keep going down for now because they've not shown any sign of reversal. But then we should also know that because of the news we're expecting, everything will be affected. And if you watch here, this is the level where the market is to take away the particular low. And once it's done taking out this low, it's going to pull back. So let's get a 4 hours order block that is close to where the level is and watch what these guys will do. It's going too far. Okay. So zooming in. That's one. So we still have these levels to watch. And this level here has not been mitigated. Price 6, sorry. Update this stuff. Okay, so I want to see anything that made this guy do this. They push to this downside, and they push to upside. We'll be expecting aggressive reversal, and that is why I've not really taken serious position for the week. And I'm expecting that to happen today or tomorrow. And that is the reason I've not taken serious position for the week. So, and also another thing we're expecting here is on US30, this US30, perfect. So US30 has actually gotten into monthly FVG, and it has pulled off from monthly FVG. So we want to see them reverse to the upside. So we'll expect them to pull back to the downside, then go to the upside. Let's go to daily time frame and see if there's a reference point. Let's first go to weekly. If there is a reference point, of course there is. And here we'll have it. So let's go to daily. Zoom out. So let's zoom in. As you guys can see, in this place, so we'll have this OB here is actually a fair value gap. Now, because it's a fair value gap, we're asserting that something that must be a reaction here. So we want to see this literally happen. Push into this zone, then out. Then from there, we'll take off from there. This is going to be a very serious move, and it will be seriously against USD. So I'm expecting a kind of a pullback, at least 50% pullback of movement. So here's what I'm expecting. I'd like to see something like this happen. Then from here, they might go back down or bridge structure, then before the pullback, then go up. If depending on the momentum they moved up with. So this is what I was expecting. Then USDJPY. As you guys can see, USDJPY has gotten to this level here. So like I told you guys, we were expecting USDJPY to give us a particular movement here. All right. At least to go to the upside a bit, because we'll have an order block here on 1 hour where it has not really gotten to. So that is what we're looking at. We want to see them hit this level before we go down. So that is where we'll be rounding up today's analysis. And guys, let's be careful and watch this thing out as it plays out. So thank you very much, and do have a perfect trading week.